In this video of 3DEXPERIENCE tips and tricks, I will show you how to enhance display settings in 3D Play. As you can see, I've opened an assembly on 3D Play, and the default display settings can be a little bit different to what you have in your Solidworks. However, by selecting View Modes, we can have the option to change model display, visibility, and the ambience of the background. Another great tool in 3D Play is Hide or Show. This can be used to hide a specific part from your assembly, and there is an option to reverse it as well.